Good morning to you guys. Meteorologist Amanda Pappas here. Look at this gorgeous shot outside of our St. Petersburg sky camera. Completely nice and dry. We see all the lights on in St. Pete. Always thankful for that, especially without power after Milton and Helene. It was just definitely going to be not a fun time. Thankful for everything that we have today and also thankful for the day up ahead. Look at this. 72 mild, not too muggy actually for once. 64 for the dew point. And we're going to see even better conditions because we have another cold front that's going to be coming through. For us, that is going to be just a really great blessing that we need heading into the weekend. So get ready to really feel some nice, comfortable conditions for once. As you step outside right now, 64 for Port Richey, 63 for Temple Terrace. Not too windy either. Yesterday we were very breezy for Crystal River and 67 for Wauchula. But here's the game plan. We do see that this cold front does arrive here tonight, and you really see that in our winds. So when we analyze these winds, that's what we're always looking for. When you see that rapid wind shift or change, that means that front is coming through. So we have our winds right now coming in from the east, and they're going to slightly shift out of the east-southeast heading into the later morning hours. Then heading into this afternoon and tonight, those winds go from the east, southeast, all the way out of the south, and that's going to pump in a lot of moisture. So yes, tonight we are going to feel a little more sticky once again, but look at what happens. Yes, we see the increase in moisture later on today into tonight, but that's that front. The front moves in. It could bring us a sprinkle or two heading into tonight, and then behind it heading into tomorrow. And then Saturday, Sunday, we are going to feel so good. High pressure is going to come on in, block any tropical systems for us, by the way. And it also is going to make it just sunny, beautiful, less humid. Behind this cold front is all of the November-like temperatures we've been waiting for. So really excited to see that. Now, look at the next 10 days. It really tells us a big story here. Once the front pushes through tonight, it leaves us with a couple of those sprinkles, but it also will drop us to below average or closer to where we should be for our November temperatures. However, heading into early next week, Tuesday specifically, you see that red bar. We're above average once again. Why? Because we're going to see a major uptick in our tropical moisture, and it's all because of this. Tropical depression 19. As you were sleeping, here's the latest development. We do anticipate this storm is going to spend much more time over land, meaning that it looks like it's going to be a much weaker system as a whole, which is great news. So even if this does become Sarah, we don't anticipate it to become a hurricane number one, which is wonderful. It's going to move into Honduras, which is not good for them with the mudslides. However, since it's moving into Honduras and the Yucatan Peninsula, it spends much less time over water, meaning it will remain much weaker as a whole. So once it pushes out next week, we're talking Monday into Tuesday, when the high pressure leaves us, this system will push out and could be gobbled up essentially by this cold front. So this cold front can tear the system apart. That would be wonderful news, because that would just lead to more humidity Wednesday and more storm chances, which you see on our 7-day forecast. But enjoy this beautiful weekend, Sarah.